Time for our nursing tip of the week, and in this week's tip, we're talking about the half-life of drugs. What is half-life? Half-life is the time that it takes for a drug to reach half of its initial concentration. So take caffeine, for example. Let's say you drink your morning cup of Joe. About 4 to 5 hours later, you still have about the half of the caffeine amount that you initially consumed in your body. A lot of things that affect half-life: the drug type, the amount that's taken, the form that it's taken in, whether it's IV, PO, how it's distributed through the body, how your body metabolizes it, and how the drugs excrete it. Certain drugs can affect the half-life of other drugs, as well if you have any liver or renal problems, those can impact how the drug is processed, metabolized, and excreted from the body. This one always sticks in my head. Amiodarone has a half-life of like 26 to 107 days. Meaning if someone's consistently taking amiodarone, that drug is going to stay in their system for a while. It's important as nurses to have an understanding of half-life. So when we are administering medications to our patients, for example, if we're giving them pain medication, it's important for us to know the half-life of those medications on when we can anticipate the peak of the effects, as well as the patient kind of coming down off of those pain medications. This helps us gauge, does the patient need a little more? Do they need an additional dose? Obviously, providers order medications and they should be evaluated by the pharmacist. However, it's still important for nurses to know this information as well, so we can be safely and effectively taking care of our patients. And that's half-life. Let me know if you have any questions.